Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to combine shipping on eBay. This will help you to save both time and money. Now let's dive in. First of all, open any browser that you like and go to www.ebay.com. Make sure that you have already logged into your account, and if you haven't, simply log in. Combining shipping can only be done if you are buying multiple items from the same seller or if your seller is offering multiple items. If you are the buyers, add the items you want to your cart and go to the checkout page. I have already added my items to the cart, so I'm going to the cart. It's over here beside the notification icon. Tap on it. Now instead of completing the purchase, click on request combining shipping. It's over here. Tap on it and this notifies the seller about the combined shipping, and they will provide you a combined shipping rate to your order. Or you can also add the product with predetermined discount in combined shipping, like here it have the price with the combined shipping. And if you are the sellers, simply go to the home page, tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there you can see an option for contact and help. Tap on it. Now type combined shipping. Here you can see several options. Tap on the first one. It's the easiest way to find a combined shipping for a seller. Go to this shipping preferences, tap on it. Now you can see a shipping preferences over here. Simply allow combined payments and shipping from here. For that, tap on edit. Allow this one. Now choose the time period during which you are willing to combine the payment for the purchased items. You can edit it from here, from 3 days to 30 days. Let's keep it 3 days, and once done, tap on save. And it has saved it successfully. And once the buyer requests a total, you as the seller can access the shipping charges in the invoice. Then send it back to the buyer for the payment. After buyer pays, ship the items together as per the updated invoice. This saves the shipping cost and makes the process more convenient for both parties. And that's how you can combine shipping on eBay. Whether you are a buyer or a seller, it's a win-win for everyone. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.